Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about reading and writing files in Python. In Python, reading and writing files is essential for managing data input and output. Python offers built-in functions like open, read, and write for this purpose. For example, to read data from a file named example.txt, you would use the open function with R as the mode. Once the file is open, you can use the read method to retrieve the content. Conversely, to write to a file, you would use the open function with W as the mode, followed by the write method to add content. These file operations are crucial for tasks like handling text files, CSV files, or even log files in real-world applications. To read from a file in Python, you first use the open function to open the file in read mode. This function returns a file object. You can then use the read method on this file object to read the contents of the file and store it in a variable. Remember to close the file using the close method when you're done to free up system resources. For example, if you have a file named sample.txt containing text, you can open it using open sample.txt-r. Read its contents with file.read and then print or process the content. Finally, don't forget to close the file with file.close to release system resources. When you need to write content to a file in Python, you can follow these steps. First, open the file using the open function with the W mode to write to the file. Next, use the write method to write the desired content into the file. Finally, remember to close the file using the close method to ensure the changes are saved. For instance, let's say you have a file named output.txt and you want to write the text "Hello World" into it. You would open the file with the W mode, write the content using the write method, and then close the file to finalize the write operation. By following this process, you can effectively write to files in Python, allowing you to manage and store data in an organized manner. Closing files after reading or writing data is crucial to release system resources. Failure to do so may cause memory leaks or lead to performance issues. The close method in Python is utilized for this purpose. In the given example, a file named sample.txt is opened in read mode. Its content is read, and then the file is closed using the close method to free up resources. Remember to always include the close method after performing file operations to maintain efficient resource management in your program. Reading a file in Python is like opening a book and reading its contents. Writing to a file in Python is like taking notes or writing in a journal. Using file paths in Python is like providing directions to find a specific book on a bookshelf. Closing a file in Python is like putting a bookmark in a book and closing it for later use. Error handling in file operations in Python is like dealing with unexpected interruptions while reading or writing. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. In this code snippet, we delve into the process of reading and writing files in Python by employing various analogies to simplify the concepts. First and foremost, reading a file in Python is likened to opening a book and absorbing its contents. By specifying the file path and utilizing the with statement in conjunction with the open function, the contents of the file are read and displayed. Similarly, writing to a file is metaphorically equated to taking notes or journaling. By designating an output path and a desired text to write, the text is then inscribed into the specified file. Navigating through file paths in Python is likened to providing directions to locate a specific book on a bookshelf. This enables us to access and read the contents of the designated file. The act of closing a file in Python is compared to placing a bookmark in a book for future reference, and the with statement ensures that the file is automatically closed after the block is executed. Error handling in file operations is likened to managing unforeseen interruptions while reading or writing. By incorporating try-except blocks, potential errors such as file not found or I/O errors are anticipated and handled gracefully. Overall, this code snippet provides a comprehensive overview of reading and writing files in Python, emphasizing best practices and error mitigation to enhance file handling processes in programming tasks and real-world applications. Reading and writing files in Python is akin to exploring the vast expanse of knowledge and information available in our daily lives. One industrial example where reading and writing files in Python is crucial is in the field of data analysis. Data analysts often read data from files, process it, and then write the analyzed results back to files for further analysis or reporting. Another real-world example of using Python to read and write files is in web development. Web servers often need to read configuration files, HTML templates, or resource files and write log data or user inputs to files for storage or analysis. In conclusion, mastering file handling in Python opens up a world of possibilities for efficiently managing and processing data in various industries and applications across the globe. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.